In this video, we will be discussing the top 3 programming languages that are currently in high demand in the tech industry. The first language we will be looking at is Python. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for beginners. It is widely used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. Next, we have JavaScript, which is essential for front-end web development. JavaScript allows developers to create interactive and dynamic websites. It is also commonly used for server-side development with Node.js. JavaScript is a versatile language that is constantly evolving with new frameworks and libraries. Lastly, we will be discussing Java, a powerful and versatile language that is used for building enterprise-level applications. Java is known for its portability and scalability, making it a popular choice for large-scale projects. It is also widely used in Android app development. Overall, these 3 languages are highly sought after in the tech industry, and mastering them can open up a wide range of career opportunities. Whether you are a beginner looking to start your programming journey or an experienced developer looking to expand your skill set, learning Python, JavaScript, and Java can help you stay competitive in the ever-evolving tech industry.